Hi everybody, welcome to the show.
Hi everyone. So we are going to make some bird feeders.
Yeah.
And we're going to paint some cute little bird houses, and we're going to make a little bird watching station. Let's start with our bird feeders, okay?
Yeah.
So look, we got some toilet paper rolls.
I opened it.
Yeah, pour a little bit on here, on this plate. This is some bird seed, like a mixed bird seed. Okay, that's probably good. And some peanut butter. Now, this is what we're going to do. You ready? We're going to take some peanut butter.
Yeah.
Right. You're going to take it, you can do it, I'll hold the tube. You're going to spread it all over the tube. Look at this. Nice and all over this tube here. All over the tube. Wait, you see what we're doing? Put a nice, fairly generous coat of peanut butter all over to this tube. Keep spreading it on here. Ooh.
It's very smooth.
It's very smooth, yeah, nice smooth texture. Oh, we need just a little bit more.
I'm gonna get it.
So we're gonna take this, and I want you to put your fingers on the inside and roll it. Just push it this way. Roll it around. And you just take the edges and just roll it. You do it. Roll it till it's all covered. Yeah.
It's done.
It's done. So now we need a ribbon. Where are the ribbons?
Mom.
You have them in your little pouch? So look, I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder. Just take your ribbon and you put it through the tube.
Why?
So that's how we're gonna hang it up. Yep. I know your paints. Yes, I'm gonna see if Alexie does that. Try it out, Alexie. Want some help? Here, you catch the end. Got it? There. Okay. See, you just pull it through, and then look, we're just gonna tie a nice little knot at the top, and boom. And then we'll hang that in the tree, and then the birds can come and eat the seeds off of it. That's super cool, eh? So we're gonna hang this in the tree so they have something to eat. Now birds, what else do birds need? They need a place to sleep. And we're gonna make them a little birdhouse. So these are little bird houses we got from the dollar store. When you turned 3, you had a bird birthday party. And we gave out bird houses. Kits. I got these at the dollar store for $2. And they are gonna be yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm getting your paintbrush. You gotta use your paintbrush.
I'm making my birdie old rainbow house.
A little rainbow house.
How the green makes green all did that green.
Wait till she turns around for you, Dad. She's almost down the roof.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful, isn't it? You see that, Dad? All done. Yeah, you put some brown. That's right.
Tonight it'll just dry the whole time tonight.
It'll dry, yeah, it'll dry all up tonight, and then tomorrow you can hang it in the tree. We're gonna make a little bird watching station, which is the whole point of why we're doing this, is because it's early spring. There's no food for the birds, so we're hoping we can attract some birds to our yard for Alexie to look at with her binoculars through the window. And we got some books, and I'll show you that as soon as I'm done hanging all of these bird feeders and bird houses. Again.
Let's go see if there's any birds.
Are there any birds? Let's look. See anything?
And there's some birds down there, but birds are super small.
The birds are super small. We also picked up a couple books from the library to kind of go with our little bird watching station. So we got this book about birds. It has different kinds of birds, what kind of birds you'd find in different habitats. We have this book about nesting birds to see if maybe we'll see a nest with some birds in it around here. And then we got this book about feathers and we're gonna learn about feathers and what the purpose of feathers are. So that's pretty cool, eh, Zozo? Oh, you want raisins?
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!